two very interesting articles, which I mentioned at the start, which I came across. I think it's amazing, by the way. One is AI to stop prison violence before it happens. So, prison officers will use artificial intelligence to stop violence before it breaks out on the new plan set out by the Lord Chancellor today. Clamp down on violence in prisons as AI helps identify dangerous prisoners and bring them under tight supervision. AI will be also used to uncover secret messages sent by prisons and stop weapons or contraband getting into prisons. Interesting. So we obviously know in the prison system there's some murders taking place. Really bad things happen in prisons. Smuggling, there's narcotics going in and all sorts. So I don't quite know how that happens. But this AI plan is supposedly going to put a stop to that, which is interesting. AI will be used across prisons, probation, and courts to better track offenders and assess the risk they pose with tools that can predict violence behind bars, uncover secret messages sent by prisoners, and connect offender records across different systems. It will also analyze different factors such as prisoners' age and previous involvement in violent incidents whilst in custody. This will help prison officers assess threat levels on wings and intervene or move prisoners before violence escalates. Something I found very interesting here, there's a section in this article. This technology, which uses AI-driven language analysis, has already been trialed across prison estate and has analyzed over 8.6 million messages from 33,000 seized phones. 8.6 messages have already been put through the system and they've picked up. They know who's who, what's what, what's going where, who's got to deal with who gets paid, who's involved. They know everything. I think it's a great use of AI because us, as a nation, as a country, we are behind AI adoption in comparison to the other leading countries across the world. So we're making a step in the right direction, making prisons safe. But what I do really want to see personally is there's a lot of upset and unrest at the moment with people and the quality of their living and lives, safety, the economic conditions. I would love to see AI come in and try to solve some of that. They really need to build some form of AI where people are safe on the streets. The average person, many of us aren't in prisons. Most of us aren't in prisons, right? That's a very small substrata of the population. But the rest of us are like me and you. We're at home, we're out and about, we're on the street, and we're going shopping, and we just don't feel safe. And I think that's really where AI will come into play. It's trying to improve the quality of our lives. It's a big topic, big issue. So I'm hoping that they step into that direction personally as well.